2 bowls. As you all can see, I made some oatmeal. It's gotten cold, but it's just regular oatmeal. Okay, I tried to put them in clear bowls so you all can see. Again, oatmeal. Y'all probably want to just come and stand around so you can see it. Okay, so for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to open, I think our 2 came out. And I want to put this to the side because I don't want nobody taking this with them.
No, I'm about to.
Oh,
so they can see what it is.
because I don't want nobody sneaking it. So y'all see what this oatmeal look like, right? All right, both of them look the same consistency. Now, for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to open these capsules, but all you need is 2 a day. Some people will take 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. I tell everybody to make it easier with like one of the other products that we have, like the FiberWise, and especially if you have gut issues like IBS or anything like this, it's going to be a game changer. I'm going to put it in this one. I'm going to put it in this one, okay? And again, for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to open the capsule. And then I'm just going to stir it around. Typically, people say, oh, it takes a long time for it to start to break down. It won't. You're going to see how it's going to literally turn this oatmeal almost into a soup. We've even done a demonstration where it will turn steak into a liquid. Get you a piece of steak, put it in a Ziploc bag. And again, the longer I let it sit here, the more it's going to break it down. But as you can see, it's going to start turning this into like a soup-like texture. And this is what it's going to do when you eat all that bad stuff, especially if you love steak. Y'all see it?
Oh, wow. Yeah.
That's amazing.
And again, this is the other one. Still look the same. And the more you, and that was seconds.
And it doesn't make you go to the bathroom.
No, it's just going to, like if you have IBS or anything like that, people who have a challenge going to the bathroom, it's going to help you have an easier bowel movement. But if you're regular already, it's not going to make you more regular. You see what I'm saying? And the longer it sit here, y'all, it's going to break it down even more. Okay? So we're going to leave that there. We're going to come back. The next product I want to show you all is because all of our product, even our clean, everything, it has no chemicals, no toxins. Okay? So all our cleaning products, we don't use bleach. This is our bleach replacement. It's called Melibrite. Now, I like to use the Melibrite pods. We also have it in the liquid form. And what you do with our detergent, you all see this pump, all you need is 1 pump. Even our detergent for a full load of laundry is 1/3. 1 pump is 1/3. All you need is 1/3, okay? So, to show you how powerful this is, I'm going to take this red iodine. Y'all see this is water that I already have put in here. Nothing in it. You see there's nothing in this water, right, baby girl?
You see that?
And I'm just going to, I forgot when I used it. I didn't squirt it in. I know, it look nasty, doesn't it?
Just like food.
Look like food color, okay. But you know about food coloring. Y'all be doing them eggs. All right. So, I'm going to take 1 Melibrite pod. All you need is 1 per full load of laundry, okay? It's color safe for your darks, and it's going to brighten your whites. 1 per load.
I'm gonna
All I'm
rinse
going to
this.
do, and it has a little clear coating on it, I'm going to just drop that in there.
I was gonna go rinse the spoon off for you, but
Nope, it don't even matter. And I'm just going to stir it around, let that, as soon as that does.
the seal break.
The seal break, and watch how fast it turns your way.
Oh my God. That's amazing.
Melibrite. This is what you need for every load of laundry. If you work outside, you got men that work outside and all of that. This is what you need. While I'm stirring, y'all see this still turn this into a soup, right?
Yeah. So what's the name of this?
This is
This
called
is
Good
Good
Signs.
Good Zone.
There's actually a YouTube video that I have out of doing this demonstration. We'll make sure you get that. These are great. It's like less than 2 minutes or right at 2 minutes. These are good just to send to somebody and say, hey,
Good Zone.
I take that every day with the fat burner and some of the others. So I just wanted to do a quick demonstration on some of our product. Ooh, the main one one I left upstairs.
Saw you, Mel.
The Solumail. I am